All right, guys, so the sun is starting to rise. I'm 2 hours into my 20-mile walk. In my previous video, I talked about how I decided to do a 20-mile walk across Red Rock Canyon. Started at 4 o'clock in the morning when it was pitch dark. But yeah, I want to talk about trading a little bit and what I'm doing and how I got started. I'm about to finish the first stock trading courses that involve fundamental analysis, which means they have it has technical analysis portion and fundamental analysis portion combined, and it's going to be the most cheapest course out there. And it's not going to be like a webinar or a video that you're going to go and watch me talk. No. This is a step-by-step course that I'm created to first eradicate all these Instagram gurus that only talk about technical analysis. And also I want to help out everybody who wants to learn, but he doesn't want to spend thousands of dollars. So I'm a competition to Online Trading Academy and all these other academies. And when I read so many books in the last 15 years, I realized that these guys who are writing these books, they're not traders. They talk about trading because there's money in teaching, but they're not actually traders. And I was baffled by that, because some of these people who I thought were my idols, these people are not actual traders. It was crazy. I felt like I was betrayed. So anyway, in this video, I'm going to talk about why technical analysis is not gambling, but it's not fully efficient. And here's why. Before 2009, I was a high-frequency trader, so I would trade about 50, 60 times a day. I would scalp small pivot points on oversold and overbought conditions throughout the entire day. Now, after 2009, when algos and hedge funds started using more algos and fractional trading and dark pools, you can only successfully trade within the first hour or two. And so everybody gravitates toward that. So now everybody's trading the first couple hours, and that's it. Anything after that, algos will eat you alive. You're not going to be consistently profitable. So when I was graduating college in 2010, in my Principles of Investment class, I became Bloomberg Platform certified. And I learned that the retail traders, they have level 2 access, but apparently there's level 3 access that I didn't know about. And when these large funds want to dump large amount of shares, somebody wants to unload 20 million shares of Apple, UBS or Citidesk, whatever, these guys are not going to make their trades known to you. They're going to layer it up. They're going to have in different tranches. So you're not going to see it in your order flow in your level 2, guys. Do you understand that? So what's the point of watching that? Yeah, you can kind of get an idea where majority of the bid and ask is on the sell side or the buy side. Yeah, I get that. But the major inflow and outflow that's about to come, it's not visible to you. This is Red Rock Canyon. So these major outflows and inflows, they're not visible to you. It would be stupid for them to show you their intentions of dumping large amount of shares, because that would change the stock price. And they want to slowly come out without interrupting the price movement, right? So you gotta understand this. This is, when I learned about this, I was like, no wonder. Like, everything started making sense. So, bottom line, what I'm trying to say is, if you're only using technical analysis to trade, photobomb.
I'm scheduling 0 for Friday.
Nobody cares. So what I'm trying to say is, if you're only using technical analysis to trade, guys, you're kind of gambling, because you're gonna create series of profitable trades. Okay, you're gonna make, let's say you made 8 trades consecutively profitable, different sizes. You made $100 here, 300 here, 600 there, 200 here, and now you build up your confidence. So when your confidence gets built up, you're gonna bet heavier and heavier. And when you're least expecting, when you make a really big trade, when you're least expecting, this is when a trade's gonna go against you because of what I just said. a large fund is going to dump shares or take a trade against you, and you're gonna take your loss, because if you're a day trader, you have to cut your losses. But if you're a swing trader, you're not susceptible to market manipulation as much, right? So, but if you're a day trader and this goes against you, you're gonna take losses. So, yes, technical analysis is great most of the time. You're gonna depend on it, but a lot of times, those patterns that you identify, cup and handle, triple bottoms, double tops, dojis, they're gonna fake you out. And I've been through it, guys. I've traded way more than you. There's a lot of people who traded more than me, more than 15 years, but I've traded much more frequently. If I show you my Lightspeed trading brokerage statement, it's about 500-600 pages. So I'll shoot another video showing you my brokerage statements. $12-13 million in total volume was the norm for me a year. So I've traded a lot. So I've encountered all the market manipulation. I know exactly how algos think, and I can recognize them faster now. Anyway, I created 4 courses. One of them swing trading, which I'm almost done. And then second one is gonna be day trading. Oh, I wanna see this bike. I wanna see how fast it's going. Love it. Didn't pop a wheelie though. So swing trading, day trading. Then I'm gonna create an options hedging course and portfolio management course in 2020. But in 2019, in the next couple of months, my day trading course is gonna be complete also. My swing trading course, I'm almost done with it. So competition is coming to all you fake gurus and academies who are teaching a bunch of BS. If you have learned only technical analysis, you're way behind. My slingshot swing trading method will allow you to learn trading with the most minimal risk taking, and you're gonna keep your bank. You're not gonna blow up your accounts just like you do with the learning by all these other people. So all these guys that teach you their way, I want you to go and learn that. See if you can make money. Most likely you're gonna fail. Then I want you to come back to me. So all these guys, let them teach you. You go and fail, and then you come take my course for fractions of the price that you paid over there, and you'll see how your life quickly will change. And lastly, let me say this too, while after the trucks pass by. God damn. One more. And lastly, let me tell you this. I have a company, Avalanche Partners, right? So when you go through all the courses and you finish it, you're going to have a chance to join my company at discounted shares, which means I want you to own a piece of my company with me. So I'm not going to turn my back on you after you take my courses. I want you to come in as a family and stick around with us. You'll see how different my strategies are from the norm. All right, guys, I've talked your ear off. I got another 15 miles to go. I think I've done 5 miles already. I believe every time I do a 19-mile hike, I increase my lifespan by 2 weeks, hopefully more. And then I go and have a cigarette and shorten it by 10 minutes. No, I'm just kidding. All right, guys, see you later.